And a voice spoke to me. And he came and he said, this aircraft is looking for you. 2017, before the Lord released me in 2019, 2020. And I see it, and I look through round windows that it had. And when I looked, I saw a white lady, but I also saw like there were a lot of other people inside. Then, that very voice said, you need to get inside of the aircraft because they are looking for you. Then I said, because as it landed, the way that it landed on the ground, it landed and automatically the door opened itself and it became stairs. But I expected that somebody was going to come out of the vehicle. So I just stood at the distance between the door and the door was there, and I was standing here and I waited and I said, anybody that is looking for me must come out. That's what I said. I said they must come out. It probably around maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes and nobody was coming out. Then I saw the door lifting up again and closing what is like a round vehicle. I don't know if you've seen this round, like a round vehicle. It floats like this, it's round. So those who don't know. And then, when it was now levitating, going up, ascending high, the voice of the Lord said to me, for this is the aircraft of the President of the United States, Barack Obama. So for the first time, I understood that they were spiritual people dealing with beings that you have not seen, talking to them and actually living with them, interacting with beings that you have not seen, and you might call them not to be human beings, inside of the vehicle, and even in some places. For even inside of the White House, some of them have been found. When the Lord showed me this, and I saw this, I woke up in the morning. I wrote and drew the picture of how it looked. Everything. I drew it down. Then I went to show my brother. And I said, what is this? This is what I saw. And I drew it down how it looks. Don't even know if I still have the drawing. I drew it as it was. It was very visible to me. Very visible. So that was the beginning of the war that I have been part of. For some think, oh, I don't know, he's just prophesying what is going to happen. He's just prophesying the nation. He's just prophesying. They came to me before I came to them. They visited me before I visited them. Because they know a time has come for the courts of heaven to be opened. What is coming will shock the world. What is about to happen will shock the entire human race. Barack Obama is about to face justice. Justice For the Lord of the courts will serve it before the whole world. In other words, the former president of America will be arrested. He will be arrested for crimes that some of you will be shocked. For he has been involved in that which it is evil in the human race. What Jesus calls it, in the days of Noah, they were eating and they were drinking. He has been eating and drinking like they did in the days of Noah. Yet more shall be revealed. More will be revealed. If you are